What's up, guys? George here. Today we're gonna be taking a look at Bitcoin. Okay, full Bitcoin market review. Just quickly before that, we dive into the charts. I quickly want to say thanks to PrimeXBT, who is sponsoring this video. They're an online exchange where you can trade a bunch of assets with a single Bitcoin-based account. The link will be in the description, so make sure to check them out. Okay, so let's dive into the charts now. So Bitcoin, we had crazy upside here. We're back at all-time highs pretty much, but time to be cautious in my opinion. So whenever we approach all-time highs, everyone's betting on a breakout, and that often leads to pure chop and ugly wicks and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll be giving my thoughts and what my game plans are here. Whether it would be a breakout play or a deeper pullback play. So yeah, on the 4-hour, I just marked out last week's high and last week's low, just two key levels, and then I also have marked out the monthly open, which pretty much lines up with last week's low, the weekly open, and the daily open. Okay, three key levels that I use for confirmation and just as key pivotal levels. So zooming in on the hourly for a second, I marked out this key range, so from a key high to a key low in one swing. And as you can see, the mid-range has been acting as a pivot, clean support here. We deviated above range high, failed to make a new all-time high, right? Closed the daily damn strong up here, as you can see. But then we broke down and broke back inside the range, retested range high, and now yeah, we're seeing some downside locally here at least. So what I'm thinking here, there's nothing really, I mean, this doesn't look too bullish to me since we're below range low and below the daily open. So what would be likely in my opinion is to see some more downside here, at least take out this low, but more likely this one. Okay, so if we do see that, some downside, sweep the low, reclaim, then that's your long. Okay, long the reclaim of range low and then target new highs, clean highs above here. Now I could honestly see a deeper pullback into this low, and then yeah, into the weekly open, which lines up with this clean demand right here. So something like this, a quick wick in there and a buyback. If you see that, that's your long trigger. Keep your invalidation probably a little lower, about here or below the weekly open. So long here, invalidation there, target new highs. What if we don't see the downsides that I just spoke about? What if we, for example, do something like this and then start grinding higher? Now, if we reclaim the daily open and range high, that would be also a long for me and target mid 60Ks, so 65K, somewhere around there, around those prices. Sorry. Now also notable is the premium index, which is decreasing a lot, which means that spot is clearly buying. Okay, which is a good sign. Funding is still pretty high, so I'd be careful. Now, yeah, dips are for buying in my opinion. So like I said, sweep of the low here, sweep of this low into lower demand, or the reclaim of the daily open. Those are my game plans. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.